Hey, good to see you. Let me talk to you straight about the T Series. This is for the person who's done with half-hearted cardio, who knows that showing up should feel like progress, not just sweat for sweat's sake. If you've been using a cheap bike, an old jog route, or skipping sessions because gym visits feel like another chore, this might be what finally changes the routine. Go ahead and check the current price and stock real quick. You don't want to come back later and see it gone or marked up. You know that moment when you realize your cardio gear isn't helping, it's holding you back. Your knees hurt, you're bored, your sessions feel uninspired. You do it anyway, but you don't feel stronger, and you start questioning why you're even doing this. That's the turning point. That's when the T Series becomes more than just a treadmill, it becomes a commitment. When you step on the belt, the first thing you notice is steadiness. Not the jittery shake of a cheap fold-up. It whispers confidence under your feet. The belt responds to your pace instantly, and the incline feels like the road you've been neglecting. You shift from mechanical movement into actual motion, natural, deliberate, strong. Let me paint a few days for you. Early morning, you're quiet, the house is still. You hit start, and as the belt moves, your breathing syncs with your stride. You don't think about gym timings, commute, weight lines. You just run. Maybe later you use the incline walk for recovery, legs burning just enough to feel alive. Or you push it, speed intervals, heart pounding, sweat dripping, but the machine keeps up. You feel that steady pulse underfoot, that momentum. Performance isn't about numbers on a screen. It's about how you feel when you step off. You feel lighter. You feel alive. You feel like the person who shows up, not just to move, but to transform. The surprise benefit. How quiet it stays. Even when you crank up speed, the hum doesn't disturb others, so you run while the world sleeps, or before dawn. Owning something like this changes how you see cardio. It doesn't feel like a chore. It feels like progress. It feels like you respect your body enough to give it proper gear, not shortcuts. Runs that stay smooth session after session, inclines that challenge without jarring your joints, a machine that doesn't quit when you push it, workouts at home that feel purposeful, cardio that fits your life, not the other way around. A few things to consider. It takes space, measure before you buy. And if you crave outdoor runs sometimes, this won't replace that fresh air feeling. You've looked at bikes, cheap foldable treadmills, maybe gym subscriptions. But at some point you pick the tool that keeps you coming back. You pick T Series. If you're ready to flip the switch on your cardio game, check the link, check the stock, and grab your upgrade before it slips away.